guys, so today I'm gonna be making like a non-taco thing. It's just my creation. I just gathered my favorite vegetables, you know. You guys don't have to put vegetables if you don't want. You can just put protein. You can just eat the naan by itself. You know, whatever. All up to your preference. So I put some cucumbers, some baby bell peppers or paprika. I think the baby ones are like so much better because they're tiny. And everything tinier like tastes better, right? Is it just me? I don't know. But it's cute, so I like it. Yeah, and I put some tomatoes. You don't have to put them if you don't like, again. And some celery to eat on the side. I just want it to be healthier, you know? Because in quarantine, you just eat all the time. And I don't know, I feel so bloated and fat all the time. Yeah, and this is the brand I got. It's been like staring at me for like ages. GB, buy me. But I was never inclined to buy it because it always looks so stale and crusty, to be honest. But yeah, I finally bought it because of curiosity, and surprisingly, it was like really good. Like, to the point like I'm probably gonna buy it again. So guys, if you're hesitant to buy something, just take a risk and buy it, you know, because YOLO. And I'm grilling some samgyeopsal or some pork belly for my protein. I just seasoned it with some plain old salt and pepper.
Some salt.
And be sure to season it on both sides because we want it to be super flavorful and yummy. Cook it so well done because it's pork. Today I was watching a show called Pork Belly Rhapsody. It's on Netflix. It's a Korean food show surrounding pork or pork belly. And they were eating pork raw. Like, is that allowed? I'm sure it is allowed if it's fresh, if the meat is fresh, but like, I'm still in shock. Like, how could you do that? Our whole lives we were told to eat pork well done, and they were eating it like sashimi. Yeah, hope they don't get salmonella or something. I'm still in shock. See how I'm cooking my pork like well done, like really well done, crispy, okay, crispy. Yeah, and I just put it on the paper towel because to get rid of excess oil. And here am I eating it. Here am I eating it. That doesn't make sense. I'm eating it. I'm doing a taste test here. Put some hoisin. I wanted to mimic, you know, those the duck cucumber wraps you get at the Chinese restaurant. Yeah, I wanted to kind of mimic that / mimic a summer roll kind of. Yeah, I did that, and I put some bell pepper, cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and some pork belly. And let me tell you, it was so delicious. Oh, and I kind of put it like a taco. It's like a really fusion dish. It was awesome though. And guys, if you happen to make this dish because you're so inspired by my video, thank you, you have to put like the fire sauce in or like some kind of spice, because it was good before I put the spice, but when I put it on, it was like a whole new world. Na, 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 na. Plus the pineapple too. You have to put pineapple. Once I put that, it was like, words can't even describe how amazingly yummy it was. And if you can, try to get like fresh pineapple because the canned one is a bit iffy. It has like added sugars, preservatives. We don't need that. We just need the fresh pineapple because it's already so sugary by itself and so juicy. So yeah, if you can, get the fresh one. Okay, random, but do you see me eating that celery? If you didn't, go back like 10 seconds and see me eating that celery because I'm so proud of myself. Okra. Okay, listen to the sound, okay? So yeah, fast forward a few hours later, I had some snacks, some healthy snacks. I found these vegetable crisp at Costco, and surprisingly they were like really good. I thought it would taste too vegetable-y, and I thought I couldn't handle it because of that too vegetable-y taste. Because sometimes you want to eat vegetables, but you don't want it to taste like vegetables. If you know, you know. Yeah, it was like the texture of it was like freezed dried astronaut food. You may think that's kind of weird, but it was actually pretty good. It was really light, really crispy, and it was like pretty well seasoned. Yeah, and I looked at the ingredient list and it was just literally vegetables and salt. The short ingredient list made me feel not that guilty about snacking, so that was pretty good. But eating this made me feel really full really fast because it is like vegetables just like dried up. And I also had some pistachios, classic pistachios. I love pistachios, you love pistachios, we all love pistachios. You have to get the ones with the shell on because that's the point of eating pistachios, taking the shell off and finding the treasure inside. But once in a while you get those ones that you can't open, which is kind of irritating, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time, okay? And don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that stuff, but you don't have to, but I would really appreciate it if you would. Okay, I love ya. Bye.